How to see how many friends you have on a Snapchat in 2021. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. Now the very first thing you have to do is you have to firstly click on the location button in the bottom left corner. When you click on this, then you come to this page, and after firstly, so please make sure you enable the location. After enabling location, when you click on the settings in the top right corner, then you come to this page, and here you can see the who can see my location tab. So you can see the only these friends, so you have to click on the only these friends, and then you have to click on the select all. When you click on the select all, then here you can see the you can also select all by one. After selecting one by one, what you have to do is you have to firstly click on the save button, and when you click on the save button, then here you can see the total number of friends here, only these friends. In the under the only these friends, you can see all the total number of your friends, and so that's it, that how you can do this. And after seeing the number of your friends you have on a Snapchat, you have to again click on the only these friends, and then you can deselect all and then click on the save, and then you can also enable ghost mode or cancel it. So that's it. So that's basically it, that how you can see how many friends you have on a Snapchat. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like on this video and comment below that it works. Have a